Okay, hello once again. So we have another lesson. So besides from the SVA and the AP referencing, we also have the technical, operational, and expanded definition. After this lecture, we have an exercise. Okay, I'll give you an exercise para ma-apply nyo kung ano yung technical and operational. Actually, technical operational lang yun. Expanded definition, very easy. Just listen. Okay? With my lecture, kayang-kaya nyo sagutin yung part na yun. So, konti lang naman yung items for expanded definitions. Okay, now let's go first. Okay, so here, we have types of definitions. So, nakikita naman, technical, operational, and expanded definition. So, let's first define what is a definition. Wait lang, ayaw mag-click. Ayan. Okay. Definition is a statement that explains and or describes the meaning of a word or a phrase in a clear, complete, exact manner. In the English language, a word could have more than one meaning depending on the use and context to which word is applied. See the illustration below to better understand the concept. Okay, so later meron tayo example. So let's have first, ano ang definition. So pag sabi natin definition, the description, the explanation of a concept. Okay? So kahit anong pag-explain niya. Okay, so now we have our examples. I'll read to you the examples. The contestants lay their performance in the town fiestas singing competition. Iska wants to stop the alarming levels of hunt and endangered animals in the wild. Ano kaya yung pagkakaparehas at pagkakaiba ng dalawang sentence natin? Okay, punta muna tayo dun sa pagkakaparehas. Okay, kung sinabi nyo na maparehas na ang mga sentence na yan ay gumamit ng word na slay, okay? Tama po. Okay, ano pa? Sorry, ano naman ang pinagkaiba nila? Okay, the context on how they used or how the slay was used. Okay, magkaiba sila ng context. Kung dito sa unang sentence, slay na ang galing. Okay? Ang galing ng performance. Dito naman po sa slay to kill. Okay? Yun naman po ang ibig sabihin. Tama po yun. Okay, so we have two definitions of the word slay. And they are different from each other. Okay, ano po kaya dyan, ma'am, yung technical and operational definition? Punta tayo muna sa technical definition. Okay, technical definition describes and explains the meaning of a word or a phrase based on the general references and other field of the study sources. We have here an example kung nga sinabi ko sa inyo, slay means to kill violently or in great numbers. So, ang meaning natin or ang definition natin sa isang word ay based sa general reference. Ano ba itong general reference? Meron tayo the dictionary. Okay, technical from dictionary by the book. Okay, by the reference. Now, let's have the operational definition. States and explains the meaning of a word or phrase based on a specific context. May context po tayong pinagkukuhanan ng definition. Okay? Tapos, in research, operational definition explains or describes how the term is applied and measured in the study. Okay, in the study, how it was used in the study. So we have here, for example, naman, the word slay refers to a condition by which an activity or performance is done in an excellent manner. Okay? So, may context po tayo. Hindi po to by the book, hindi po nakalagay sa dictionary na ito ang meaning mismo ng word to slay. Pero, recently, we've been using the word slay, okay? On our daily conversations. Okay? So, that's the operational definition. So, again, kanina sa technical definition, we have the definition from the book, and we have the operational definition, how it was used in a context. Okay? So, wag po kakalimutan ng pinagkaiba na operational at ni technical. Now, let's go to the, sorry. This is to further explain operational definition. Okay, so two types of definition used in research, and you must include this in the uh, definition of terms. Okay, so uh, define it constitutively and operationally. Now let's go to expanded definition. Actually, expanded definition is just a combination. If titignan mo yung characteristic na expanded definition, combination siya ni operational definition at ni technical definition. Okay? Because expanded definition, it goes deeper than the simple dictionary. We use dictionary, we use the definition of the dictionary, but we expound it. Okay? Expanded definition is also called extended definition. Okay? Baka malito kayo. Okay, let's have anong expanded definition. First, offering expanded analysis illustration. Okay, kahit tandaan nyo lang to. Analysis and illustration. Okay? Of a concept that might be abstract. Pwedeng abstract yung word. Pwedeng debatable yung word. Pwedeng controversial yung word. You may be unfamiliar with it, and sometimes misunderstood the word. Okay? So, ano po yung analysis? Okay? So, explanation lang naman. Okay? Comparison. What else? You may compare it. You may also, let me just check. Ano pa ang pwede nating mailagay sa analysis? Sa analysis, pwede din nating maalagay or sa sorry. Pwede ring analogy. Ay pala ito iniisip ko. Pwede ring analogy. Okay, you compare contrast. Okay, it with another terms or word or concept. What else? Distinguish the characteristics of a certain word. Ano ang characteristics nito? Ano yung mga description nito? Oh, I forgot. Illustration. Pag sinabi ng illustration, picture. Okay? Maaring mag-picture. Picture will serve as an expanded definition already. What else? Providing extra facts and information about it. Giving examples. This is a good one. And saying what cannot be included and what should be included. So, yung mga bagay na nilalagay natin sa expanded definition. We have here an example. Okay, ngayon pinipindot ko ay gumana ng slide. Kanina hindi ko pinipindot. Nagmo-move. Okay, punta tayo dito. Here is an example. I'll read it to you. Traditional defined as a relationship between individuals characterized by mutual affection, trust, and support. Friendship is an intricate and involving bond that transcends mere acquaintance and encompasses shared experiences, empathy, and sense of camaraderie, serving as a cornerstone of social dynamics and emotional well-being. Beyond its surface definition, friendship embodies reciprocity, understanding, and a capacity for forgiveness. It thrives on communication, both verbal and non-verbal, fostering a safe space for vulnerability and genuine connection. Okay, upon hearing or listening our expanded or extended definition, what do you think is the term or the word that we described, sorry, or was being described? Okay, if you said it is friendship, very good. Okay, on our first sentence, we have there, what is friendship? Okay, how do we define or how we describe a friendship? Okay, second sentence, what are the characteristics of a friendship? Okay, so yun po. Actually, yung iba ay mga characteristics na. Pwede ding example, okay, yung pangalawa. Pero more like yung mga sumunod ay characteristics na ng friendship. This is an example of, again, expanded or extended definition. So, wag pong pagkakalimutan. Okay, ano pang maaari natin ilagay sa extended or expanded definition? We have the etymology. Again, we already discussed that. Etymology is the origin of the word. Okay, so kung saan pa nanggaling yung word yan, pwede nating mailalagay. Pwede nating mailagay kung ano ang pinanggalingan ng word na yun. Historical references or background, okay? Especially if it's a technical word, may pinanggalingan yan for sure. Cause and effect, okay? Maganda to sa mga scientific na word, okay? So, ano ang maaring cause niyan? Ano ang maaring effect niyan? And contrast, okay? Compare, contrast. Comparison na yan. Contrast. Okay, hindi ko alam kung nagloloko yung slide or what. Okay, ayaw niya mag-move. Okay, may dadagdag lang ako. Always remember that on expanded definition, it always starts with a formal sentence. Okay? Yung una nating sentence ay laging nasa formal. Okay? It's a formal sentence. Always starts with formal sentence. Wag pong kakalimutan. Okay, so again, if you have any question, I hope nakarating ka sa part na to. And good luck tomorrow. Okay? Wag lang po mag-share ng mga lucky banana sa Facebook. Mag-aral. Good luck! And that's all for this lesson. Bye!